Yo, this is how you make soy marinated eggs. Ooh. So in Korea, we call this bayakgeran, right? Literally translate to drug eggs because it's so addicting. So we got 16 minutes before opening. Let's go, baby. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna fill the bowl with some water. All right, so here it is. And then we're gonna throw some salt. Then now we throw in our eggs. And then we're gonna boil it for about 6 to 7 minutes. 6 minutes if you want a runny egg, 7 to 8 minutes if you don't want the runny eggs. I personally don't like runny eggs, so I'm gonna go about 7 minutes. And then we're gonna get right to the sauce. 1 cup of soy sauce and 1 cup of water and half a cup of sugar. Boom. All right, so we're gonna give that a nice little mix. This is the base of the sauce. So if this is literally the only thing you have, this will work. But from here, we're gonna spice it up a notch. So 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of sesame seed. Just by adding those two, that garlic definitely changes all the flavor. That is the basic recipe right there. And then from here, we're gonna really step it up a notch with some onion, jalapeno, and some scallion. All right, so here it is. Boom. All right, so we're gonna chop up the scallions. And if you don't have scallions or if you don't have onions, it's really fine, you know? But it really changes all the flavor as well, too. And then an onion, half an onion. So here's the half an onion. Let's go. So here's my scallion. Here's my onion. Scallion's going in. Onion's going in. Ooh, look at that. Color's looking good. Boom. Keep mixing it because the sugar's on the bottom right now, you know? And for that extra heat, jalapeno. For me, I need my jalapeno in there. To me, this is the biggest game changer. I might skip the scallion and the onion. Actually, I don't want to skip the onions or scallion. Oh, there's so much flavor that comes from onion, the sweetness to it, and scallion. And then jalapeno has a special kick to it. Just taking the, actually you don't have to take the middle part out in a way, you know? But I just don't want all the seeds floating around. So I'm taking the seed out. But if you want the extra heat, you could keep the seed in there as well too. But I like to just clean the whole pepper out, you know? They call this the ribs? Is that what you said? Yeah. Ribs. So honestly, this is how I like to cut jalapeno. I like to roll it over, take all the gut out like that. That's why when I was cutting that, I looked like some amateur moves, you know? Damn, I'm so scared right now because my hand is just all over the jalapeno. I have trauma from jalapeno. The restaurant, I'm always running to the bathroom, you know what I mean? So I literally one time, I just cut like a whole jalapeno. Then I went to the bathroom and I touched my koshigi and I was like, yeah, I'm a sell. All right, anyway, so here it is. Yeah, put a glove on when you cut jalapeno pepper because, boom. I should have definitely put a glove on because if it's not me rubbing my eyes or going to the bathroom, I'm going to be seeing my kids. So I'm going to have to wash my hands extra clean. Just like that. Boom, let's go. All right, so that's it, y'all. Super simple recipe. See that? Woo. That's good. So this is kind of salty, to be honest, right? But once the egg comes in it, you're not actually drinking this, you know? Like it's salty because I just drank it, but it just goes on top of the egg, so it should be perfect. So if you're tasting it, it's salty, it's okay. Boom, the egg is all done. Asian hand, strainer. Ah, he's stressed well today. All right, so egg is here. Throw it in an ice bath. Boom. This is the part I really don't like. Peeling eggs. But let's race, okay? All right, ready? Ready?
Okay. Well, up.
Bro, what? Like yeah, I won. So I won, so what do I get?
What?
I did it faster, right?
Do it.
Oh, damn, look how.
Oh, it's instant.
Oh, man, I want to get. 없어. 알았어, 없어. 꿀밤. 살짝. Felt bad. I was going to do it harder, but. Oh, thank you, Asian hand. A lot of people watch it. So, for all the ladies watching, what's up? What you got to say?
I'm single.
Yo, you did this or I did this?
I did that.
Is it because you hit me on my head?
No.
Damn, he had one job. Everything's ready. Let's go. Boom. Bop. Bop. This is just so pretty too. Look at that. Ooh. So what I like to do is I like to put this in a food container, put it in the refrigerator, and eat it in the next few days. So still right now, the egg is not fully marinated, but it's gonna turn a little bit darker color. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's past 6 o'clock. No, it's past 5 o'clock right now. Customers start walking in, so I'm talking a little lower. But we gotta finish this video. Right here. We're gonna give that a nice little, just like that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, just like that.
I'll bring it over to you.
And then this is where you throw your sesame oil, right? You don't want to put it here because it's going to be in the refrigerator and the oil's going to float all around your, banchan. You want your fresh sesame oil right on top, just like this. Woo. And then sprinkle it with some sesame seed. And that's how you make some soy marinated eggs. So we're going to grab some rice. So here it is. Woo. Like to throw that right in. Woo. Just like that. Let's go. Wow. This is one of those recipes that, honestly, when I was taking a bite, I almost was going to be like, it's good, but it was actually really good. With all this leftover soy sauce, instead of throwing it away, you could use this sauce as a dipping sauce when it comes to your seafood pancake or even your dumpling pancake. Look, so here's the dumpling, the sauce. Whew. Let's go. We call this the bayakkeran, aka drug eggs. They said that's how addictive it is. And I know that sounds crazy to put the word drug, right? Because in America, we think drugs is crazy. But in Korea, literally no one does drugs. So that word is not used as something like to be criticized or be looked down upon. Like drug is so foreign in Korea that it was just like, oh yeah, it's addicting like drugs, and that's why they call it bayakkeran, and that's why it became popular. But anyways, yeah, make this. This is so easy that this is probably one of my favorite recipes to make at home, and also my followers love making this because anybody can make it. Soy sauce, water, sugar, onions, jalapenos, scallion, garlic, easy to make, But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and the leftover sauce, do not throw it away, okay? Make sure to use it for dumpling, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yo, what's up?